Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be comparing RedotPay and UPay in order to help you decide which crypto card is better choice in 2026. Now, if you decide to go with RedotPay after watching this comparison, make sure that you use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. And if you do that, you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. So let's start with our comparison. So first of all, both of the cards, the RedotPay and the UPay, offers you virtual crypto cards for online shopping and international payments. So depending on your region, both also provide you the physical cards. Now RedotPay offers the virtual and the physical cards, crypto deposits, ATM withdrawals, and the automatic crypto to fiat conversion at the checkout. UPay also support the crypto payments, but its available features vary by the country. If we talk about the fees, so both the platform charge the car related fees, so it's worth checking the latest pricing before applying. RedotPay is generally known for its simple setup and easy to use application. Now, if you want a platform with more established features, wider acceptance, and ATM support, then RedotPay is a strong option here. If UPay offers you better pricing or service in your country, it may be also worth considering. So, if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.